Hey y'all, welcome back to The Simple Way. Today on the menu is honey garlic shrimp. To learn how to make this, keep watching. Alright, so here are all of the ingredients that we're going to use for this recipe. You'll need shrimp. I'm using shell-on deveined shrimp. Honey, soy sauce, crushed red pepper flakes for, a little heat. And this will make up our sauce. You're going to need some butter, or you can use oil to cook the shrimp, ginger, and garlic. We're going to garnish this dish with some green onions, and we're going to plate this up with some white rice, or you can use jasmine or brown rice if you prefer. So first, start out by cutting up your green onions, and then you're going to go ahead and chop up your garlic. I'm using 3 garlic cloves. Make sure that you chop this down nice and fine. Peel and then grate the ginger. You want to grate that ginger because it's going to allow more of that flavor to release. So now let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, go ahead and add the soy sauce, honey, the ginger and garlic, a little sugar, which is optional, and the red pepper flakes. Stir it up really good. Make sure that you stir the bottom of that bowl really good because that honey is going to fall directly to the bottom, so you want that to dissolve in the soy sauce. So here I have my shrimp. The shell is still on. I'm going to go ahead and peel the shell off. I'm leaving the tail on the shrimp, so if you want to leave your tail on, make sure that you do not peel the shell off of the tail. The final step, okay, which is very important, check this little section right here. If you see anything green or brown, take it out because we did look, okay? We don't want to eat that. Rinse all of the shrimp under running water. Make sure it's good and clean. We're gonna pat this dry so that no water or no excess moisture will get into the sauce, okay? Add all of the shrimp to a bowl, and we're gonna pour the sauce on top of the shrimp. And we're gonna marinate this inside of the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Make sure that you cover it with a lid. I like to rinse my rice under running water until that water runs clear. I'm cooking this inside of my rice cooker. It just makes life so much easier. Perfectly cooked rice in 15 minutes. To cook the shrimp, go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of oil into a skillet on medium heat. You can also use the butter if you prefer. This shrimp is not going to take long to cook, only about 2 minutes per side. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because then it'll be rubbery and chewy and stuff like that. So yeah, just 2 minutes per side and you're good to go. So now once you remove the shrimp, pour that sauce into the skillet. We're just going to heat this sauce up a little bit. Remember, we have that ginger and garlic in there, so we do want to allow that to cook. Now we're going to add the shrimp back to the skillet with the sauce. Let the shrimp get good and coated with that sauce. Now you can garnish it with the green onions and a little sesame seeds, and you're good to go. Bam, dinner done in under 15 minutes. So last but not least, I'm going to show you how I plated this up. So I plated this up with my white rice, and yeah, this was so easy. This was so good, restaurant quality. I hope that you guys will give this recipe a try and come back and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. All right, y'all, so I'm about to make this here. I can't even see myself. Yeah, there we go. Smack it. Smack it. You gotta massage it. Huh? Massage it.
Some things are easier to process than others. The things that last and keep sticking around, those are a harder, tougher process. I'm gonna make sure I say this crystal clear. Somebody could do something to you and you could be suffering from it for years. After the very same day that it happened to you, you could forgive. You see what I'm saying? And if it keeps coming back, that's why 7 times 77. That's why. Every time it comes back, you have to take it and lay it down again. So you have to take it, lay it back down again. Oh, the enemy brings it back again. You got to lay it back down again. You got to keep killing over and over and over.
Sometimes I feel like God wants us, His people, to be mistreated so that we can know how to forgive.
Of course. You thought it was some other way?
Yeah, because I guess if He didn't spare His Son.
I told you
right.
knock on the door.
Yeah. I think you can,
And on the cross, Jesus said, forgive them.
Yeah. Yeah. And no matter what we go through here, at the end of the day, it is nothing compared to what His Son went through, because He got it. He know every good thing that ever happened to every human being that was alive at that time is because of Him. You feel me? He know. And I know it's real unbelievable, because remember, He's fully man. I know it's still fully jacked up in His heart that they would do this unjustly. You feel me? So He know what they was thinking. Remember? So yeah, no matter how much it sucks for us, it was worse for Him.